Today I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a row in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need to reference data from other sheets or create quick navigation between different parts of your workspace, making your workflow much more efficient. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and sheets are stored. On the homepage, you'll see all your available sheets and workspaces. Take a moment to locate the specific file or sheet where you want to add the link. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open. This will load the sheet and display all your data in a familiar spreadsheet format. Now that your sheet has loaded, you need to identify the exact cell where you want to place this link. This could be any cell within your sheet, but typically you'll want to choose a cell in the row that you're referencing or linking. Click on that cell to select it. Here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the selected cell and a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and select Link from Cell in Other Sheet. This option is specifically designed for creating connections between different sheets in your workspace, allowing you to link directly to another sheet, row, column, or even a specific cell. Once you click that option, your workspace will open up, showing you all the sheets you have access to. Browse through and choose the sheet you want to link to. This is the sheet that will open when someone clicks on the link you're creating. Smartsheet gives you flexibility here as you can choose to link to the entire sheet, a specific row, a particular column, or even an individual cell. Select whichever option best fits your needs and makes the most sense for your workflow. After you've made your selection and configured exactly what you want to link to, click Create Link. Smartsheet will process this and establish the connection between your current cell and the destination you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to a row in Smartsheet, creating a direct pathway between your sheets that will save you time and make navigation much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.